the next day.
Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is the second day of the 330 project. Yesterday I just called it a night early and I went inside and I was just chilling. So today I came outside today to check it out. I had it on the charger. I threw it on the charger for overnight and the battery's still dead. As you can see, it says bad battery. I had it on for 24 hours. So we're gonna try to start it after the charger was on it overnight. Let's see if it has enough power. Wow, so it started right up. Even though the battery said it was bad, but it's maintaining the charge, so that should be good. Hopefully it stays charged. So now I'm gonna take it to the shop. We're gonna clean it up. We're gonna see what's going on with it. Hey, what's going on YouTube? So we back at the shop and now we're gonna check this car out even further. We're gonna clean it up first because it's a little messy right now. So we're gonna clean it up. We're gonna clean the car up. We're gonna make sure it's shining like new. Clean it up. Fix this. So it's a little walk around shot before it gets clean. It's the bumper. The inside. So these are the cleaning products that we're gonna use today. We're gonna use some awesome. This is some good stuff from Dollar Tree. It's only $1 a bottle and it cleans up good. I just tried this, some cleaner vinegar, because people said that vinegar is really good to clean the outside of the car. And I usually use this Dawn to clean the outside also. And I also have like a foam cannon with some other soap. So these are the products that I'm going to be using to clean the car. There. Hey, what's up y'all? So I just finished really completing the wash and I had a few other things to do. So I'm back at the car now. I'm gonna take out the bumper dent that we have here. So I'm gonna get that out now. A little bit about the car. I think it was driven from North Carolina like to New York back and forth. But so what you need is a heat gun. That's the tool you need. Usually gotta take like a little bit of water just so I don't burn the paint. And I see there's a little hole right here. I don't know if somebody poked a hole and tried to do something with that. But I don't know, I can't really find my pick tool, but this is gonna have to work. There's a hole in it already, so I'll take a little bit of water because I don't really want to burn the paint or anything like that with the heat gun. So I'm gonna take some water, rub it on there for now. Put this light right here so you can see. Put the heat gun on and hot.
later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
What's happening?
So what you guys think? It's a little bit right here, but for the most part, now I'm gonna try to work on the front. The front has a little issue in the front. I'm gonna fiberglass this probably, put a little bit of fiberglass here, and fix that up. I cleaned the inside. The car is still a little dirty just because it was sitting in the yard for so long. I might have to clay bar the car tomorrow because it's still in some spots, like as you can see on the roof, it's still a little dirty and scratched up. So I might clay bar the car and polish the car. Even though I washed it, it wasn't enough, you know, so it's like deep dirt inside the clear coat. So even when I wash it, it's still type dirty. Even though it looks good from far, but it's still a little dirty, so I'm definitely gonna have to clean it up. This window is a little messed up also. I'll just put a little something in there to hold it up for now. But it's good so far. It looks good. The wheels cleaned up nice. They could be cleaned a little more, but tomorrow I'll probably do that. But I might have something else to do tomorrow, so I'll get back to you guys as soon as I get a chance, you know. So I'll keep you guys posted on what's going on with the car and see how much money I can make on this car. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go home and peace. I'll see y'all. See y'all tomorrow. See y'all another time. Peace.